everyone, Kaylee, your friendly neighborhood hairstylist here, and it's the best time of the year, Christmas morning hairstyles. It has now been 7 years doing Christmas morning hairstyles, and I'm so excited to be coming to you this year with short hair. After years and years and years of asking, we now have some short hair options, and of course, Anna Laura's coming in for the long hair. If you've seen any of the videos in this series before, you know that it's all about getting quick and cute hairstyles on Christmas morning so you can take all your pictures for Instagram, for your story, for your feed to send to your friends. Whatever you need, you'll be looking cute. And of course, you wanna be able to do that as quickly as possible. So these are cute, they're quick, and you can keep using them as the year goes on. So I'm excited to show you guys. Let's get into it. For our first hairstyle, I wanted to plug into one of the key hair trends in 2019, acrylic clips. This was definitely the year of the clip, and let's just finish it out with the bang and use it on Christmas morning. Am I right? I'm right. You might notice my hair is already curled. I just used a 1-inch curling iron and curled everything away from my face. And for Anna Laura's hair, she used a 1 1/4-inch iron and also curled everything away from her face. So this is gonna be super simple. You're gonna take a large section on one side of your head and leave out any little hairs you wanna leave out, twist it once or twice, fluff it apart with your fingers, clip it in place. That's half the hairstyle done. So to finish it, you do the same thing on the other side. Told you it was easy. Can we just call out how cute this would look on curly hair? Like you could do like a little tight twist and let your texture pop. You could use it to really pull back a lot of stuff around your face. It could be so cute. And now for the long hair.
Hello. This is cute.
Thanks.
Am I doing this?
You're doing that.
Yes.
So you're gonna do your big old section, you're gonna twist, you're gonna clip, you're gonna repeat. So there's your first hairstyle option. Literally as easy as putting 2 clips in your hair, and it's very cute and can get stuff out of your face if you need it to. For our next hairstyle, what would a lovely little Christmas morning be without some ribbon? So raid the remnants of your gift wrapping station and find yourself a ribbon to put in your hair. This one's gonna be a little different between the shorter and the longer hair by necessity. For the short hair, what you're gonna do is grab as much hair as you want to put in the half updo, collect it together, and secure it with an elastic. That can be smoothing everything back, that can be loosely tousling it back, it can be whatever you want. So that's actually all you have to do with your hair. Now just grab your ribbon of choice, wrap it around and tie it, and your hairstyle's done. And then have your sister come in and fix it for you. And now it's time for the long hair.
It's me.
You start the same way as you did on the short hair. Comes together in a half updo. But then, on the last rotation, that means the last time that you pull the hair through, you leave it looped. So you have a little chignon, which makes a little tiny button, basically.
Super cute.
Yep, and then you get to tie a bow around it to finish it off. It looks super cute. So for this next hairstyle, I thought it would be fun to integrate some sparkly bobby pins, and I found these from a store called Lovisa, which has a couple American locations, but they're mostly based in Australia. And it says, "Merry Christmas, you filthy animal." And I just think it's the cutest thing. So I'm gonna put it in my hair. But even if you can't find these exact words, or you don't want to wear these exact words, any sparkly bobby pin, any message that you would like to put into your hair will work in this hairstyle. Now I do have a video full of rhinestone bobby pin hairstyles from last year, which I recommend checking out. Perfect for New Year's Eve coming up. But I'm gonna add in a little new hairstyle for this one. I wanna make it a little bit more Blake Lively this time, obviously. So what we're gonna do is create a half updo by taking pieces at a time and pinning them as we go. So I'm gonna start off with a section right here next to my part. Gonna sweep it back and pin it with the top bobby pin first. Now you do wanna put that first bobby pin up pretty high, especially if you're doing 4, because if you start down here, you're gonna be like on your neck when you finish. So it up as high as you can. And now we do the same thing on the other side. Gonna take a little piece, sweep it underneath the one we just did, and pin it in place. And now we're just gonna do that 2 more times. So, starting back on the left side, where I began. And one last one. And that's the hairstyle. Now on long hair, it's the exact same thing, but I'm gonna have Anna Laura show it to you guys with some different bobby pins just in case you don't go with the message option or you just wanna see it a little different. And there you go, that's the hairstyle. I feel like whichever bobby pins you choose can be super duper cute, and it is a really easy way to throw something together and maybe be a little cheeky at the same time. And now for our next hairstyle. I thought it would be fun to do a top knot for the long hair. Obviously my hair is not easily going into a top knot, so we're gonna do a half up version for the short haired lady. So if you wanna pull all your hair back and away, feel free. I'm not gonna. I'm gonna leave out the bang section of my hair, go down to my temples and back and pick up all the hair. And everybody, secure it with an elastic. Oh my God, I'm so cute already. I think this would look better with a center part on me. Feel free to make that call for yourself. Also, you know, if you have bangs, you just leave them out for this hairstyle. Don't love seeing a distinct part line, so I'm loosening up my hair so that it covers up that part right there. You could also fill it in with some eyebrow powder if you're feeling extra. Alrighty, so I mean, you could stop here. This is cute, but we're gonna do a top knot. So first, let's do a little bit of teasing. And now, if you have enough hair, we're gonna braid it. If not, just wrap it into a bun. And then I'm securing it with an elastic and pulling it apart. And the little bit of teasing that we did should just help to fluff this as much as possible. Now I'm gonna wrap it into a bun, pin it in place, and fluff it a little more. Oh wow, I got a cute little sprout going. I'm like a little Christmas candle. I'm gonna assume if you have shorter hair, that's gonna happen to you as well. So here's how you fix it. Grab it, put it through a bobby pin, and then put that bobby pin wherever you want that to go, and stick it in place, and it's gone. I was gonna stop here, but I think I want a scrunchie, so hold please while I pick out a scrunchie. Found my scrunchie, guys. I bought this at a TJ Maxx on Black Friday, and this one, it's the move. This is from CNC California. Sparkly scrunchie. I think I'm just gonna, yep, that was it. Oh my gosh. And that's it for the short hair. Now let's bring in Anna Laura for the long hair. First, you're gonna leave out a section at the nape of your neck because we're gonna use that to make a little extra braid. Put everything else up into a high ponytail. Then you're gonna braid the ponytail, secure it with an elastic, fluff it apart. Wrap it into a bun, pin it in place. You're gonna have to do all that with this funny little bit hanging out. And then you're gonna brush that up and braid it, and you can wrap that around the bun. And finally, I don't know if you've noticed, but I haven't braided my hair yet, so it's time for that hairstyle. Now, you're gonna wanna do this hairstyle with the middle part, which I already have going on, and now we're gonna braid on the one side. So I'm going to leave out my front pieces of hair because that's what we do around here. Obviously, you can take them back if you want. And you wanna start with a nice small piece of hair because the bigger the section you take, the farther back your braid is gonna start. So if you want it to start up here, you gotta take a little piece. Split it into 3 and start braiding under. Then start incorporating little tiny pieces of hair to make a Dutch braid. And I'm going to be taking most of the hair from over my ears into this section, so I'm gonna come down to close to my hairline to pick up the hairs on the underside. And once you've reached where you want your little pigtail to sit, You're gonna braid a couple more inches normally and secure it with a bobby pin, then pull the braid apart. And now we're gonna secure that in place with an elastic. And then we're just gonna do a little bit of this, and then a little bit of this, and we are good to go. Repeat that on the other side. And now for the long hair. Basically, you're doing the same thing, but I think you might not want like the perky fluffiness, or it might be a little harder to get with the long, thick hair.
Okay.
And I think in that case, it's okay just to let it be like a little bit lower and just kind of a more like bohemian moment. If you do want the perky pony on the long hair, it's just a little bit of extra teasing, that's all. All right, well, those are our Christmas morning hairstyles. I hope that you guys enjoyed them. And this was the first video that Anna Laura and I worked together on last year.
Oh, it's our work anniversary.
It is though. We filmed at her house because I didn't have a tree. Her little dogs kept photobombing me. They're not little dogs, by the way.
Dogs. That was so fun.
What a fun year of Kayley Melissa it's been.
It's been such a big year.
Aww.
Oh,
So cute. Anyway.
Anyways.
I hope you guys enjoyed our 7th year of Christmas morning hairstyles. I super enjoyed filming it. Of course, if you guys end up trying these out at any point, you can send them to me on social media. I love seeing you guys recreate them. But of course, Christmas morning. If we're all wearing the same hairstyles, let's just all like share in the fun and have a little braidaholic family Christmas.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah.
That would be so cute. We'll post you on our story.
Yeah, we'll repost. We'll have a little Insta story braidaholic moment.
I love it.
And of course, if you guys enjoyed the video, you can hit that like button to help support the channel.
If you're new here, click that subscribe button to join the Braidaholic family
Here on Kayley Melissa. And all of you guys can click that bell icon to be notified.
every time we post a new video.
But that's it for today, whether you're old
Or new.
or a casual lurker. Thank you for spending time with us, and we'll see you in the next video. Mwah. Bye. We didn't plan it.
Didn't practice
We
it.
didn't try.
Wow. Amazing. Ready?
Amazing, truly sisters.
Wow. We gotta go buy a lottery ticket. That was great.
Get the blood flow back into my hands. Sorry.